The Bharatiya Janata Party has released its manifesto for the April 23rd Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, outlining a mix of welfare measures, infrastructure projects, and religious commitments. The manifesto was released by Union Minister J.P. Nadda in the presence of state leaders including K. Annamalai and Nainar Nagendran. The party has promised a monthly financial assistance of 2,000 rupees to women heads of households and a one-time payment of 10,000 rupees to every family. It has also proposed to provide free LPG cylinders annually during Pongal, Tamil Puthandu and Deepavali. These welfare measures closely mirror commitments made earlier by ally AIADMK, the senior partner in the NDA in the state. On the infrastructure front, the BJP has proposed major transport projects including high-speed rail corridors connecting Chennai with Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Plans also include regional rapid transit systems, semi-urban rail expansion, and sleeper Vande Bharat trains linking Chennai with Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. The manifesto further outlines steps to expand Tamil Nadu's rail network through land acquisition and improved connectivity. The party has also made several promises related to religion and culture. It said Thaipusam would be declared a state festival in honor of Lord Murugan, and efforts would be made to restore and protect the traditional lighting of the Kartigai Deepam at Tiruparakundaram Hill. On women's safety and economic empowerment, the BJP has proposed fast-track courts, better use of the Nirbhaya Fund, and interest-free loans of up to 50 lakh rupees for women-led enterprises, along with a 20% government procurement quota. At the launch, Nadda criticized the ruling DMK, alleging that the state had seen rising crime and corruption under its rule. He described the party as being driven by dynastic politics and said there was growing public dissatisfaction. The BJP is contesting 27 seats in the 234-member Tamil Nadu Assembly in alliance with the NDA.
We will be providing a monthly assistance of 2,000 rupees to all women heads of the households and a one-time sum of 10,000 rupees to every household when we come to power under the AIDMK leadership. We'll be providing 3 LPG cylinders free of cost every year. To tackle crimes, we will start zero FIR reporting. We will have victim witness protection, and we will have special fast-track courts for heinous crimes and including sexual offences. We will have 100% blind spot-free CCTVs in buses, schools and universities. And we will optimize the Nirbhaya Fund utilization that we are going to do. We will empower the cooperative led by women. Now, when we say women empowerment, we talk about women-led empowerment. And that is why women-led cooperatives, the self-help groups, the MSMEs, with interest-free loans up to 50 lakhs will be provided. And manufacturing units will be mandating that 20% of the procurement quota will go to these cooperatives that we are going to do. The same way, we will have 25,000 eligible women to purchase, we will be giving 25,000 to the eligible women to purchase e-scooters. And for farmers, the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, where you get 6,000 rupees per year, we will be providing a top-up of 3,000 rupees. So 9,000 rupees per year will be given to every farmer. That is what we are going to do. The same way for the Cooperative Cotton Growers Federation will be set up, and within the radius of 100 kilometers, we will also support for tomato, mango, banana and chili, and eliminate the storage losses by establishing a panchayat level small steel silos for grains and pulses, cold storage for fruits, vegetables and flowers, and block level market connector hubs with transit silos, and district level strategic reserve large steel silos for keeping for the storage. The same way, we will be giving a one-time grant of 50,000 to small and marginal farmers for setting up of animal husbandry, cattle rearing, shrimp farming, beekeeping and poultry farming. For fishermen, We will be increasing the fishing ban aid, which we give to 8,000, will be increased to 12,000 rupees per year. Lean period allowance will be increased from 6,000 to 8,000, and we'll be giving 2,000 pension, 2,000 rupees pension for every person, every fisherman above the age of 60. For youth also, we'll be giving 1 lakh jobs, free coaching for toppers, district coaching centers with Tamil options, and skills census and industry-linked training, that is we are going to give. And same way, we will be dedicating weekly hour training for AI and robotics and practical labs in every block resource centers to the aspiring 12th pass students we are going to do. The same way, there are many for skill development. We'll be starting a skill development university with campuses in all zones and for imparting the new age technologies. And for culture, as I said, we'll be having the festival of Thaipusam in the state festival, honor the Murugan, and the same way we will be re-establishing a protected throughout the year the Kirtigai Deepam that we are going to do, and the same way the culture, the language and the folk of Tamil will be also encouraged, and we will be giving in all temples monthly essentials, that is camphor, ghee, oil, rice and kumkum for 25,000 rupees annual endowment for function and maintenance. So this is how we are going to take care of the religion and the culture. For drug eradication, this is a very important point. For drug eradication, we will establish a Tamil Nadu Drug Eradication Department and Anti-Narcotic Task Force to monitor and also see to it that how this smuggling has to be stopped. We'll be creating a ganja-free state